Can I do this? Can I trade any market doing this? Any market. Any market. If you learn price action, you will be able to trade any market. That's the key to it. Promise you. I probably trade the Emini S&P 500, but you can trade anything. Forex. Doesn't matter. Options, stocks. It doesn't matter. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and thanks for joining again today on another live trading session here. The market just opened up about 5 minutes ago, guys. It's 9:34, 9:35 right now, and so that's Eastern time, and the market is open. As always, trading the S&P 500. This is the Emini futures. That's the Emini S&P 500, and yesterday really didn't get into. I took a few trades after I recorded the video because, as you saw yesterday, the market wasn't really doing too much, guys. So hopefully we can possibly maybe get into some trades today. Because if you look at the market, what happened yesterday, we see price finally broke that 44.92 area and pushed higher, retraced back, pulled back overnight, rejected at this high volume area here. And I believe I had my level mark there with one of these lines yesterday. So what can we look for today? Well, the market, like I said, pulled back overnight. Now we have a high sitting out here at 44.90, 44.98. So once again, the market is just ranging. You know, it pulled back, and you can still see it kind of moving sideways. Even though it took out this high here, pushed higher, pulled back, and now we're kind of ranging. We're making these 1, 2, 3 triple tops here pretty much, and then and not really making any further lows or further highs to the upside. So price is kind of just steady ranging right now. So let's see if, let me see. So price kind of pushed down, making these little swings here to the downside. So price may come back and test this area here at 44.85. It possibly could. We'll see if the market does. Not saying it will 100%, but let's just wait and see if it does. Because this at 5 o'clock this morning, that would have been a good trade to take from this level right here. Okay, so price pushed up, pulled back to this level, and rejected or failed, push higher, did not take out this high right here. So when it pushed up higher here, it didn't take this high here out. So it did pull back, giving a second chance here. But you gotta kind of be mindful right here, because if price didn't take out this high here, you know, on the first pullback, you could have went long. When price pushed up, it kind of slightly took out this higher. If you look at this, the wick of this candle here, but I don't call it a breaking higher unless the candle closes above this high here, which it did not. So when it pulled back, could have been an entry long, depending on what, you know, what happened at the market right here, this area, which that could have been a long. And then the market pushes up again, not even want to take out this area here again. So price could actually fail here at this, not actually fail, could actually push through this level here and then push lower and test some areas below it. So this right here was the first test. Price pushed up, pulled back. And let's look, let's see. Let me look. I mean, you could have went long here, just about right to this area right here. You know, if you would have quickly got into a trade here, but when price pulled back here for the second time right here, I would have been waiting for some signs of actual rejection for the market really to show its hand. I just don't take a trade, like I always say, real quick. I like to see price come back to that level, reject, kind of give me a W shape down here, and so price basically pulling back, pushing up, pulling back, and then probably taking an entry long. So right now we're at the point of control. So I'm just gonna wait. We'll see what happens when price comes back down here around 44.85 again. I think it may kind of possibly try to push lower, but you never know what the market will do. You just never know. So we'll wait it out, see what happens. Okay, guys, I'm in a long here. I'm hoping the market pulls up. Just took a little long right here because I believe I saw some rejection in this area, but I'm hoping price comes up, at least test back up to the point of control here. That's what I'm hoping for here. It could push a little lower before it push higher, but so basically I may have taken the trade just a little bit early, so we'll see what happens here. So I'm going to wait and see. I'm in a trade right now. Let's see. And this would be probably the area where price will probably want to, if it does bounce here and push up, this would be the area. But we do, like I said, we have this level sitting right here at 44.85. But yeah, I'm going to buy another contract here. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go, guys. See how I was right on the money there? I knew what price was going to do. So price is going to bounce probably right here, pause right here at 44.90 and a half. So that's my first trade for the day. It's just that simple, guys. I mean, you know, I hope anyone out there is bashing me. I mean, I'm showing you pure price action. I was pretty much on the money. The market came back 4 ticks. It came back 4 ticks, but that's typical of the market. I just took the trade a little too early. I'm an aggressive style trader. This depends on what type of trader you are. But like I said, I'm a price action, 100% price action pullback trader. I wait. When I say pullback trader, I trade price action. And when price goes to a level, I look for the pullback to enter the market on. So price is at the point of control right now. And so, that's anybody who's been following my channel know that that is a no-no area. One that I pretty much don't like to trade around because too much pushing and pulling there. So on that first trade, already picked up 15 ticks. Just that simple in a matter of, less than a minute. Once I was in that trade. So up $187.50 on that one trade already. Okay, so set the VPOC. I'm going to wait it out, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be, I don't want to sit here and let the video, the record to go on and on because there's nothing going on in the market, as far as like an actual entry. And then I'll just sit back and wait. And then, once I get into a trade or find an area, I'll let you know. But yeah, let me kind of like, I guess what I'll do here is let's explain that trade. Because that's one thing I like to do on my channel is not just show you my entry, but also explain to you why I took that trade. Okay. Well, like I mentioned, there was a level right here. Okay. All right. That's on a higher time frame. There's a level right here at 44.85. I was looking at my 12 range chart. Okay. Now we're approaching this area here. So this could be a quick little bounce right here, guys. Just to right here, if it gets there to 44.88. Yeah, if it bounces back up. But anyways, I'm not taking that trade because that's kind of dangerous. But the reason why I took this trade is because on this swing down, if you can see it right here, this swing here, price push down, pull back, and push down. Okay, it created this little swing right here. So when price turned back around, it hit this level down here. It pushed up, pull back, pushed higher, right? Okay. It started creating a swing. It created a swing here. But I'm looking for price to take out this swing area right here, okay? And what swing does it do that? On this swing right here, when it pushed up, pull back, and then finally closes to the upside of this candle right here. That's a swing. It's a big swing. Pushed up, pull back. Excuse me. It pushed up, it pulled back, and then it pushed up higher. Closing this candle here, it took out that whole swing there. So when price turns back around, retesting this area right here, right here, okay? Retesting this area right here. This is my level that I'm looking for in this area right here, okay? So what happened? Price comes down. Okay. It rejects this area, closes the candle to the upside. Remember, see, I just told you that that was part of a little trade right there. And it's kind of probably going to want to pause right here, see what it's doing. But anyways, so when price pushed up here, it pulled back, pushed higher, okay? Create a swing. It took out, that was the swing to the upside that took out this swing. So when price pulls back, at that point, when price makes this level right here to the upside, taking the swing out, I'm marking my level. This is my level right here, this red line, okay? Price pulls back to that level, right? All right, it rejects a little bit right here, okay? But it's not done. You know, you just don't jump into a trade. It's not done. It pushes up, pulls back, okay? Eventually pushes a little lower. So this is the entry to get into when price does this setup right here. Pulls up, pulls back, red candle down, pushes up, takes out that red candle to the downside right here. This little candle right here. Finally close to the upside. Boom, you can go long. The long would have been to right here. Remember I said 44.90 and a half? There it is right there. Price bounced right there and turn back around and push lower. Okay, so that was my level. That's the reason why I took that trade right there and picked up 15 quick ticks. So pretty much got 5 ticks on each contract. So solid $187.50. That easy. Okay, it's that easy, guys. You may say, well, you make it sound easy. I'm a newbie or I'm beginning to learn how to trade. Follow the channel. You know, if you've got questions, please feel free to ask me. I explain each one of my trades and I show you the level I trade from. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens. Okay, so we're back at this level here, at red line there you see, guys. And let's see. Yeah, price can pause. Just looking to see what price can pause it, guys. Yeah, we can bounce right here. Where price is bounced at right here. So it's probably not the best area to trade from. But you just have to wait to see what price is actually going to end up doing. So it's back down to this red line, as I said it would. So yeah, it's a tough one. Tough one, tough one, tough one. Mm. So let's see. Let's see. If price breaks, let me see here. Yeah, let's wait to see. I mean, if price broke above 44.86, took out these candles right here and pull back quickly. I mean, let's quickly pull back, maybe to up here to at least test 44.88 area. But I mentioned already that price would probably it's tested this area once, pushed up. It tested it twice, pushed up. It's not taking this area out right here, these highs. So now here it's testing it for the third time. And more than likely, it's probably it may try to go ahead and push lower because it keeps projecting to push higher. So that's being able to read price action, being able to understand the market structure, what I always say what the market has done before. So, you know, it's just a matter of being analytical and being able to read. It's like reading a graph, and being able to read what happened by looking at things on a chart, or that's pretty much the same. So let's see what happens here. Um, mm, Actually, I'm not too sure about that. Let's see. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna stand down here because I don't really like what I'm seeing. In all honesty, I mean, yeah, price would actually have to break this area right here, 44.87. But yeah, I got this swing right here. I really don't like what I'm seeing here. So, um, mm, yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick little scalp. Just scalping the market, guys. There you go, real quick. Just scalping the market. To this area right here. I knew price would probably at least test this area right here and bounce, but so it's probably picking up another just quick little 4 ticks. I'm sure, not much. Yeah, 4 ticks. So I'm up 19 ticks now. You see, and um, and that brings me to 237.50. So just scalping alone, just trying to scalp the market right now. That's all I'm doing because that's what the opportunities that I have at hand right now. So let me see. Yeah, price can bounce right here. Now, if it takes out this swing right here, we could push up and possibly test it back at the VPOC. But yeah, that's only if it takes that swing out. So we have to wait and see. Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. I mean, look at where you see what the market opened up at right here. This little area is all we've done. We're talking about a from 44.85 to 44.90. We're talking 7 point move. That's it. That little bit of area right there. That's not much of anything. That's a very, very small range. And I'm still able to make a profit today. You just have to be on it. You have to know read price action. You have to know and to be precise. Very accurate to where you're going to enter the market at. That's the key to it. I'm not a positional swing trader. I could do it, um, but I like to go ahead and be in and out, wait for the next setup. It's just quicker for me to do it that way, and then move on for my day because it's only not. It's only 10 o'clock right now. So I've been trading less than a half an hour, to be honest with you. Well, looking at the market for less than a half an hour, I've probably been, in a half an hour already made $237 and a half. So, how many people are doing that from their house? I mean, this is it's not a lot of money, but it's a living. You can make a living doing this, just sitting back, being patient, waiting for the trade set up. You can make however much money you want to make in a day. There's no limit to it. It's just how long do you want to sit in front of the computer and do it, you know? So don't be greedy, Um, it's one thing I don't do. I don't sit in the market and try to be greedy, all day long. So yeah. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, so price is at the point of control right now, and this could be some rejection right here. If I see some rejection, I may take a short. Um, Price have to push down, pull back, and then close. So taking that pullback trade, like I told you guys, let it make its move, show its face. So up here, I'd be kind of looking for more of like an M structure. So You know, price push down, pulls back, closes again, closes. So it's kind of like a 1, 2, and then 3 setup. And then at the close, I'll go short, but price may be trying to push higher, so we have to wait and see. Okay, so it's closed above here. So uh, so let's see what happens. So it may push up to at least 44.89 and 3/4 or 44.90. That's the area. Top end of this high volume area right here. Remember I always say sell the highs and buy the lows. Um, so that's kind of what I'm waiting on. It's kind of what I'm waiting on, guys. Yeah, so it's already pushing up there to 44.90. So yeah, I knew it would test this area, possibly test that area right there at 44.90. It's already testing that area within a tick. So all right, so you know, hey, you can see it two ways. You can see it, the market trading sideways right here. I mean, who wants to trade that? You just got to be smart, guys. And you can see it on the 12 range here, and you see it on the 4 range chart. So be patient. That's all you can do. Be patient. Okay, guys. So price is rejecting the area here. Ugh. So let's see. Hmm, yeah. Um, they could come down here and test this area right here at 44.86 and a half. I see it push right now to it. So there we go. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Hmm. Yeah, we're just trading around the point of control. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, guys. I mean, right now it's only 10:15, 10:17, so market's only been open for 45 minutes, and yeah, it's pushing down. Yeah, it was a short here, but it didn't give me the setup I was looking for. It just pushed down. Um, and actually looking at back at it, let's see. Let me see something. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Um, yeah, so I'm just here's price down here again. Like I told you, at 44.86. So um, now let's see what happens here because this could be a little long entry just for a quick little scalp, just very quick. Let's see if the candle closes right here to the upside. I may take a quick little trade. It's a quick little scalp. But the market's been kind of stair stepping to the downside. Remember, I told you they want to break that high over there at 44.91, 44.92 area. So let's see. Okay, little quick scalp, guys. Not much at all. Just scalping real quick. Going for a quick little scalp. That's all I'm doing. Come on, close it. There we go. Quick little scalp. I know it was going to come to the VPOC here and bounce. So, um, and I took this trade because I was looking at it. It was based on a micro swing. The swing to the downside. Price pushing up, pushing down, pulling back, pushing lower. There's a swing. Price pivot, turns back around. Remember I talk about that? Price taking out levels, making a swing, pushing down, pulling back, pushing lower. Pivots, turns back around. The swing right here to the upside. Pushes up, pulls back. It didn't take this swing out, but it did take out this little candle right here. And so there was a level. The level was sitting within this area right here. So price, which is a swing right here. Price pulls back. You know, I'm waiting to see if it's going to push lower. It doesn't. It doesn't take this swing out. This was my breaking point right here. Price would have took out the bottom of the swing right here. Okay, at right here, the bottom of the swing low. Price pulled back. Okay, turn back around, close to the upside, and what did it do? It stopped exactly where I said it was going to stop at 44.87 and 3/4 right there. So back at the VPOC. So it probably just picked up another 4 little ticks right there. Let's take a look. What did we have before? Yeah, 19. So now I'm up 23 ticks. All right, 23 ticks. It's a cumulative amount of ticks that I have so far for today, and up 287.5. So almost $300, and it's not even, the market's not even been open in an hour. So I'm not, you know, let's keep trucking along. I mean, come on, guys. Who could trade in a tight range with not much going on like this? You gotta be on it. You gotta know where to enter the market at, and that's the thing. You know, pay attention and you learn some things. Scalping. This is a scalping day. That's all it is. Scalping opportunity for me to be able to make a few ticks, you know, and to be able to do this, you know, if I can make around $300, you know, minus commissions or whatever, but which isn't much, but you know, be able to do that and sit home and do this from your home. This is more than most people are making definitely in a day, any job, you know, depending on your career. But hey, I'm comfortable with my lifestyle living. I'm comfortable with sitting at home, able to make money. No one to tell me what to do, how to do it. I am my own boss, and I have control and destiny of my own financial wealth and what I do with it. So trading has been a blessing to me, and it could be a blessing to many more people if they just simply take the time to understand how to trade, earn price action, and being patient. And that's all I have to say in this video today, guys. So I appreciate everyone following my live recording sessions daily. You know, watching me trade. You know, can I do this? Can I trade any market doing this? Any market, any market. If you learn price action, you will be able to trade any market. That's the key to it. Promise you. I primarily trade the Emini S&P 500, but you can trade anything. Forex, doesn't matter. Options, stocks, it doesn't matter. You can do this trading in any market. Okay, guys? So that's all I have for you today. And, you know, if you haven't already hit that like button for me, please hit that thumbs up button for me. Like the video, guys, because, you know, the more you like my videos, the more you hit that thumbs up button, it shows me that you have interest in the video, for one. But it also shows the YouTube algorithm and allows them, you know, allows the algorithm within YouTube to kind of expose the channel out there, the videos out there, because I want to be able to show people, I want to be able to help people. I have nothing to hide. You know, I'm a firm believer in helping other people, so why not? You know, if you're one of those traders out there watching this video right now and you want to learn how to trade, click the like button for me. That's all I ask you to do. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Take care. See you in the next video, and goodbye.